If you ever open your PC and it gives you a random black screen, here's what you should do. First, remove your RAM for a while, and then return it back again. But if the problem is still exists, you have just to remove the CMOS battery for a 30-second, and then put it back to reset the BIOS. If it also didn't work, try pressing Windows Control-Shift and B. Then it will reset your graphic card and help fix any potential graphics issues. Finally, make sure that your HDMI cable is connected to GPU, not to your motherboard.
5 powerful run tools you didn't know exist.
Number 1. If you click Windows key plus R on your keyboard, then type in Control User Passwords 2 and click on OK. And this will pull up your user account box, which will display all the accounts created on your computer. And from here, you can reset your password and another account, or remove any unknown user on your computer. Number 2. If you type in SeatTune in the run box and click on OK, and this will bring up ClearType Text Tuner, make the text on your screen easier to read. This command is for people having difficulty reading anything on the screen. Just click on Next, then Next, and continue to choose the one that suits you best, and you can read it properly. Comment number 3 if you want the third one.
Number 3. If you click the Windows button plus R on your keyboard, then type in DXDiag and click on OK. This will bring up the DirectX diagnostic tool that will provide you all type of information about your system, display, and here you can gather all kind of information you want to. Number 4. If you type in powercfg.cpl in the run box and click OK, and this will pop up the power option menu where you can choose your preferred power plan that suits your requirement. You can go with the high performance if you need the maximum performance on your PC. But if you are concerned about battery backup on your laptop, then you can choose the power saver or balance. Comment number 5 if you want the fifth one.